Alright, let's get some mud on our tires here because we got to make these steel shafts for these augers right here. Now, this is dangerous work, so don't play on electrical fence because you'll end up electrocuted like this guy, and you'll end up with big balls. Alright, we're going to make these steel shafts right here, as you see here. They're made out of 17-4 stainless steel. Now, the auger is 28 inches long, so the shaft steels are 36 inches long. Like I said, they're made out of 17-4 stainless steel, and I'm running the RPMs about 330 with a feed rate of about 9. So you can see how it's cutting here. You get a nice little chip going on there, and you notice the oil stains on the shaft. You don't have to be flooding it or squirting it. Just apply the oil along the shaft. Once the tool makes contact with the oil, that's enough lubricant, and it cuts down on all the smoke. You can see a good detail right there with the tool and the contact of the chip. And the finish is very excellent. We're getting a nice finish on there. And the key to this project here is the length. 36 inches long, and the shaft will be finished at 1 inch. So you can see how very long it is, and narrow and thin. So I'm using the steady rest. Now here you would cut the other half. You can only cut the first half going forward, and the second half cut it in reverse going towards the tailstock. This will eliminate vibration, chatter marks, and all that nasty stuff when you encounter these long lengths. And the diameter, very small diameter, and so this, by cutting in reverse towards the tailstock, eliminates a lot of that chatter and vibration. So you to keep it in there nice and tight. Usually I try to cut half and half, but if I was to cut it the normal way going towards the chuck, it would be very difficult, and I would have those chatter. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope to bring you more videos, and thank you again for subscribing and hitting that like button. Thank you so much.